Good day folks, my name is Steve from Dude Hack and today we're talking about name puns. Yesterday we went through some of the top 5 things you can do to open up a conversation. Now something I feel that I skimmed over a little bit was name puns. What I mean by that is I feel that there is definitely a lot more that we can learn about them. The main thing that I want to get across is I sort of neglected yesterday the fact that they can work really badly. Now with name puns, as I mentioned briefly yesterday, yes, they can be overused, especially some people with a very obvious name pun type name. You'll find that they've definitely got quite a lot of it. In fact, they're actually quite sick of it. If you come across someone like Hope, Charity, definitely hold back the name puns when it comes to names like that, because they would have seen it all and are probably in fact quite sick of it. But with that being said, there are some absolutely brilliant name puns out there, but how on earth do you find them? Well, the good news is I'm going to show you. We're going to have a look at this website that would generate a name pun for your match automatically. It's called patuk.com. I'll link it down in the description. But the one thing to acknowledge is it was last updated in 2016. So there's a good chance that there is going to be some recycled name puns on there, so just be wary. But without any further ado, let's jump in and check out some not so good and not so bad name puns. All right, McKenna. So based on the fact that we both swiped right, I'm making an assumption. You're into me. Make an assumption. Okay, what's next? Cara. Do you wear makeup? Because I could use mascara. Fuck, come on, that's terrible. Alyssa. If your name had a D in it, it would be an anagram for ass lady. So the question is, do you want the D? Bad. Samantha, I had some questions. Can I get Samantha's? Oh, that's good. I want Samantha's. That's good, I like that. Zilla, are you religious? Lol, nope, why is that? I really thought you would believe in Godzilla. Ellen, I feel awesome. What's awesome? It's a lonesome without Ellen. Without L in. Noel, my favorite thing to do is to cud and watch Netflix. It's like cuddling and watching Netflix, but with Noel. Boom! Great. Sophie, I think your name is missing an N because you're so fine, you blow my mind. Yeah, cheesy pickup line, it's 8. Alright, so that was from the website patuk.com. A little bit overused. I've seen a lot of those before, and we sort of started going around circles when I started clicking the random generator. So let's jump on the old trusty Reddit. Let's have a look at some of the best name puns or worst that people have posted recently. I've just opened up a bunch of Reddit tabs. Some of them are going to be good, some of them are going to be bad. Let's just dive in. Okay, first, posted by Baba Ganubi. Made a terrible name pun. Minutes later, I got her number. Let's see. Her name's Dawn. I've been trying to think of a sexy pickup line for you all day. I'm sure it will dawn on me soon. That's awful, lol. Are you making a living at that? Awful enough to get your phone number? Hey. And he got it. Alright. Shelby. My friends call me the mountain. I guess it's true what the song goes. Shelby coming around the mountain when she comes.
You seem to be in good form.
This is from Sam Rye. Her name is G-E-E. You started strong with that bio. Can you keep it up? Gee whiz. Do I keep this G-rated or do I go for a sleazier follow-up since you're wondering if I can keep it up? Not bad. A little bit too sexual for my liking. We've got another first attempt at name puns from Stephanie Sparkles. Well, it's Jared. It's pretty impressive that you've written a book. I'm currently struggling with writing my memoir. Have you read any good books lately? Have you read any good books lately? I like that. Fortunately for you guys, there's not too many women called Jared, but it's good.
His name is Jared
from Merkel with 3 A's. So didn't get a reply, started to try to kick it off again with Michelle. I was nervous to message you, then I decided to be brave and come out of Michelle. I like that, that's good. By 2012 Ryman. Let's have a little look. So we've got Molly, and I've never done Molly before, but I'm always up for a challenge. Cause like the drug, Molly, you get it? Nah, you don't worry, it's a terrible line. Morena. I hope your flannel shirt indicates you're handy because I need help hammering a few nails. Yeah, hammering a few nails. Yeah, better than some. Katerina, it's a fucking Katerina wine mixer.
Fucking Catalina wine mixer.
It's the fucking Catalina wine mixer.
It's the fucking Catalina wine mixer.
Okay folks, so that was just a few there, and the point that I'm really trying to get across here is I've just opened up Reddit, I've opened up this website, and yes, there is some brilliant, funny, creative, hilarious ones out there, but at the same time, there is going to be a lot of overused, generic, recycled ones. So I wanted to bring you these videos purely just to, you know, make you laugh and entertain you, hopefully. With some of them weren't that funny though, were they? But for you guys, I would steer away most of the time. Like we said in the video, which I'm going to link somewhere and in the description, the video, the 5 things you can do to open up a conversation. In the second part of that video, we spoke about the fact that a name pun, yes, it can be used as an opener, but it should really only be stored for when maybe you're completely stuck, your match doesn't have anything at all in a bio, and you're really struggling to come up with something. So that is the video for today, folks. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have, go ahead, give me a thumbs up right now. Then what you're gonna do after that is leave me a comment, and then you're gonna subscribe, please. And until next time, folks, I shall see you later.